Hey family, dodged a real big bullet with all the storms that blew through Cleveland last night and early this morning. Now, when I left the apartment yesterday, there were quite a few trees blown over at the apartment, knocking down phone lines, power lines, and everything. I was afraid of what I would find here. It was still raining when I got here to the house, so I just looked at everything in the yard coming in. I didn't come in the backyard. So this is what I found this morning when I came out. All praises to the Most High because this tree grew leaning towards the back of the house and it did not fall on the house. So the house is fine, the fence is fine. Now it's just a matter of cleanup and keep it moving. But there's no structural damage to anything. It's another lot next to this lot. So when it fell, it wouldn't endanger the house on the other end of that lot either. So very happy. And as another high note, I don't have to pay to get the tree taken down. Nature did that all on its own. Talk to you later, fam. Gonna get busy out here in this garden. It needs a lot of work with all this rain we've been getting. So I'll probably be coming back at you with a whole tour video once I get a little bit of stuff done. But not right now because it's still actually raining a little bit. So I'm gonna get out this rain, get this camera out the rain. Talk to you later, family. Bye-bye.